So here's the thing. Most referral systems aren't even systems at all. They're just fancy hoping dressed up with a logo. And this is what it typically looks like. It's the case where if you know anyone who might be interested, then here's a referral link in the footer, and maybe you've put a discount code in there, but typically no one remembers to, and if it is, then typically no one actually checks it. And funnily enough, nothing usually comes of this and nothing happens because the client meant to refer you, but you didn't give them a moment. You gave them a maybe. Now, here's the thing. Most referrals happen not because of a link, but because of emotions, timing, and clarity. And in some cases also a reason to follow through, if there isn't necessarily an exact hit on all three of those. So let's break it down. Let's say you finished a job. The client's thrilled and they're over the moon. In that emotional high, that's the exact moment when you ask, because that's exactly when they're ready to refer. In fact, over half the time, they're already doing it without you even asking. Instead, most people wait 2 weeks or more, or they drop it in a newsletter, or they just simply rely on the hope that the client remembers. And spoiler, because they won't most of the time. So what you need is a real referral system that's simple. It catches the client when they're happy, and it asks them clearly and casually, and it makes the handoff super effortless from the current client to the referral. And if needs be, it adds a reward in there to make it even more effortless. And then it follows up with that referral like it's already a warm lead, because funnily enough, referrals are the warmest, most guaranteed leads you can ever possibly get. So there's no tech needed, no dashboards, no hoping, just pure, simple structure. So if your current referral system isn't sending you leads weekly, it's not a system, it's just a wish list. So if you do want more hands-on guidance with this, just check out my video, link below, to try out my complete automation software, free for 28 days. No strings attached. You won't pay a penny if you don't make money from it. So for your next step, I just simply want you to check out this video that I'll link in the comments below or the description. And it's a simple system I'll walk you through fully in that video to go all the way from the ask to the most important final stage of the follow-up. All done in under 10 minutes. Take you from exactly knowing when to ask, like I briefly explained here, exactly what the handoff is and how it works, sometimes incorporating a reward for that extra little sparkle of bonus, and then the most important final follow-up stage to guarantee you close those referrals. So if you have an extra 10 minutes today or at some point this week, check out the video linked below. And if you want to see that trial software free for 28 days, also check that out, link in description below. But all that being said, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.